Hey, Michael.
Yeah.
How's the water?
Cold, man. Get the water. Oh my gosh. All right, welcome to day 5. 5th day out here.
See it?
Everybody's looking at a bull. It's a they're looking at a bull elk. It's right out there. Right out there. It's great to wake up with mountains, elk, and deer, and rabbits, and fun stuff. Today, we're gonna squeeze as much out of today as we can before the rain hits and it all goes to crap, and we have to get really creative with how we spend our time. See how we go. Okay, starting our day, we need something cheap, fast. McDonald's serves that ticket. So, gonna get a quick bite to eat. We're heading out to the mountains. Alley-oop. Almost. Okay, breakfast was good.
Awesome.
Just did what it was supposed to do. Get us a little bit of fuel. And we're ready to hit the open road for the park.
Who's excited about Emerald Lake? We are!
Okay, we made it to the Bear Lake area. We're gonna make a quick hike down to the Emerald Lake area. I mean, it's just lakes all over the place. It just doesn't get old. It just doesn't get old. Follow with us. We'll hit the trails.
That's so pretty.
Bear Lake.
Y'all want a picture?
Yeah, backcountry crew. Okay, status report. We're heading to Emerald Lake. We got some huffing and puffing going on around here. Altitude. You love it. You just love it. How nice.
You okay? Yeah.
How nice. Look at that. Look at that reflection. So pretty.
That older couple. That's beautiful.
Another angle of Nymph Lake. Pretty. Shall we keep going?
Yes.
Okay. Got an off-road adventure happening here. I like it.
Oh, mama.
Just work the crag.
Oh my gosh.
Work the crags all the way up.
It's worth it. It's what? It's
Look here,
worth
Mom.
it.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to take a break when we get way down.
Look at that. Clouds rolling right over the mountains.
Oh my goodness.
Easy getting up over here. Show them around, Amanda. Come up here, Here's the tour
Oh
guide.
my gosh, this is beautiful.
I'm coming, Lacey.
We just climbed that.
Mom.
Look at that. Right up there. Clouds rolling right off the mountaintops. Isn't that nice?
It's very nice.
Oh my goodness.
Very
got-
pretty.
You got the lake right down there. Nymph Lake. Beautiful view. Beautiful. Okay, we're coming up on Dream Lake. Check out this background. Is that not incredible? That's just breathtaking. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Whew, man.
Carter, can I make it?
Not bad.
I'm ready.
Yeah. Your turn.
Oh man. I knew that that was an option. I mean, broken ankle.
All right. shall we? Let's go to Emerald Lake now. All right, just a small path right over here. It's off the trail a little bit. Let's check it out, shall we? So pretty. All right, what we got here? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Sweet. Isn't that pretty? Make a jump here. Nice. Very nice. I'm gonna have to make another jump. Let's jump right over there. You ready? Here we go. Nice. Good jump. That was solid. Popped out a nice little grassy area. See where these trails take us. Okay, Carter and I, we're gonna try to get a better vantage point. Those boulders right up there. That's where we're gonna go.
Thoughts? What up? Up there?
Here we are. Emerald Lake. There's a waterfall coming down right there. Super cool. Girls taking in the view.
Hello.
What you think, girls?
It's gorgeous. It's very pretty.
Not bad at all. All right, Emerald Lake, what y'all think?
It was beautiful.
Breathtaking, I'm telling you, magnificent. All those other words that you can find in the thesaurus for absolutely awe-inspiring. Okay, you remember that rain that I was talking about yesterday? It's here. Girls are getting all ponchoed up. Y'all ready, girls?
Ready?
All right. It's going to be a soggy walk back. Soggy walk, here we go. Just a few minutes ago, we were right there. Clouds have officially taken over. Incredible. And the rain is picking up. Oh crap, we're breaking just about every safety rule in the book. But let me tell you, it's still pretty cool being out here in all this hail. He's walking down a little river here.
Yep.
Little bitty river. The sun, here comes the sun. Oh, I'm happy to see you, buddy. Whew.
So I fell in the water yesterday, and today I'm just getting dumped on. I'm just gonna stay wet this whole time.
You're running out of shoes.
I am. I only have Crocs left.
Rain's moved on through. Got the light stuff now. We were just over there, making our way down. Blue skies. All right, we made it out of the woods. No pun intended.
So awesome. Totally worth the rain.
Oh, rain, hail,
We're all wet.
all the clouds moving right over the mountains. Absolutely magnificent. I mean, it was just powerful, powerful. So we made it back to the parking lot. We need some dry socks. Look at those clouds rolling right over the top of those mountains. Whew. I love this place. Okay, made it home. We gotta dry off, hang a bunch of these clothes up. We'll hit the town again. Here we go. All right, we're all dry. Now we're starving. Let's hit the town. Let's get some food. Okay,
Oh my gosh.
folks, poppies. What y'all think?
It's awesome.
Oh, it hit the spot. Oh, it was so good.
So far the best
What
we've
did
had.
you think, little
It
girl?
was so good.
Oh, I loved it.
Are we going in this place up here?
All right, let's go shopping real quick. Lacey's excited. Go, Lacey, go. She's running in the rain. Kirk's Fly Shop. Yeah, let's... You know it's good when they got a big old boy like that in here. It's all flies. And what's better than one fish-shaped fly holding table? Two fish-shaped fly holding tables. Alright, all you fly fishermen, wipe the drool off your faces. We're talking Orvis, Sage, Reddington, Sims. It's just glorious what all they have here. Look at that. Okay. I can only walk by this so many times. It's time for some snackage. Thank you, Laura.
Holy cow.
Which one? Oh yeah. Gonna destroy that. No, you know, no. What the heck? What happened to my apple? Yes. Thank you. These guys are cracking me up. Look at them. Oh, well, here's our ride.
Hey! It works!
That was a good day.
It's a great day.
Rainy day, full of fun and adventure. What do you think?
I think it was a very fantastic day.
I think we're calling it a night. I mean,
You gonna watch a movie?
it is 6 o'clock and we are pooped.
But there are some elk down there
But there
in the pasture.
are some elk right down here. It's kind of the nightly feature that we've got. Tomorrow we jump in the car. We're probably heading south. Gonna try to dodge some of the rain and all that stuff and find a new adventure. We'll see you tomorrow.